Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to do a demo of the utility application called the Snipping Tool. Okay, the Snipping Tool is a very good utility software that comes with Microsoft Windows. So if you have your PC running on Windows 11 or 10, you definitely will have the snipping tool, and it's a very handy tool that you can use in any screenshot needs that you want to perform on your PC. So for example, in this PowerPoint slide I have created this process explanation using the smart heart. So I've done it, and I want to take a snapshot of this process. Okay, I don't whether so that I can use it in a presentation or I can use it in a document, and I want to save this as an image file. So in this kind of situations, the snipping tool or snipping tool becomes very handy. So if you cannot find the snipping tool at the taskbar, of course you need to pin it to the taskbar. If it's not there on your PC, then just go to the Windows search box, type in snipping, and then you can get the snipping tool straight away. So I click on that, and now it gives me the snipping tool. All I will do is I will just look at these options that are here. The snipping mode, what it means is that if you want to get a rectangular cut anywhere in the free cut, using a rectangle shape, then you choose this. But if you want to take a particular window, for example, if I just want to cut this window only, or if I have another open window, I want to cut only that particular window, then I'll select the window. But if I want to take a full screen, the entire screen, then I can take that option. And if there's any free form that you want to cut, then you can use this one. So those are the options that are left, but the most preferred one is either window or the rectangle. So I'll leave it at rectangle because I want to cut the process that is in my PowerPoint. So once that is done, I can see the time delay. Now time delay is important for one reason, and that is if you want to, say for example, want to capture a menu. Okay, I'll show that in a minute. So if I want to capture a menu, then I need to delay the capture for either 10 seconds or 5 seconds or 3 seconds, or 5 seconds is required if I want to cut the menu, so that once I click on the menu and the menu pops up, that's the time that I want the snipping to happen. So I'll just leave this for now. I'll just leave it that for now without delay, and then when I want to do the menu, I'll come back and set it to 5 seconds. So for now I'll just leave it no delay, and I'll click on new, and then my screen is blacked out, and now I have the snipping mode, and I am ready to take a snapshot of this graph. So I will just go closer to where I want to position my cutting point, and then I will drag it, and I will select the part that I want to select. So now that I've selected my required place that I want to cut, section that I want to cut, then I can release the mouse, and then you will see that snipping tool has taken the shot, and now you can edit it in Paint, which I won't recommend, or I can just save it. Okay, so you copy it and you save it as an image file, and then later on you can insert it in your Word or PowerPoint. So that is a faster and most efficient way to take any screenshots. So again, coming back, you take the rectangle, you click new, and then you select the portion of the screen where you want to start the cut, and you select it like that without releasing the mouse. And then once you have identified or marked a certain area that you want to cut, then you release the mouse and the snipping tool has taken the shot, you save it. Okay, so that's the first way to cut. Okay, now the other very useful use of the snipping tool is to cut a picture. So I'll just show you one picture that I have, and this is the picture, and this is a picture of this Indian guy riding a bicycle. So what I'm interested in is, I'm not interested in the bicycle or the background or anything. I just want a clean shot cut of just his face. This could be your own photo. Okay, so where you want to take a shot for your online application, or you want to pop it in a CV or that sort of thing. Okay, so you need to cut specific portion of the photo. So this is where snipping tool becomes handy. So I go back to my snipping tool, I'll say new, and then again I'm going to position the place where I want to cut, and then I can just select exactly the face that I want to cut, and then I release the mouse and I've just taken the portion of the picture that I want to take. So this is a great way to take your photo, especially when you want to put it on your CV, or when you want to as required by, like for an application that you have to upload your facial photo, then you need to use this snipping tool to cut. So you can cut anything, everything, even a table in a document. If you want to cut it from a PDF and put it in, you can. So that is the snipping tool. And the final thing I want to show you is the if you are trying to get a menu. So I'll just click on the Word document, and in this document, in this document, I want to go to insert and then select the table, and I want to take this as it is, so that I just want to take with this drop down of the table as it is. Okay, so I'll go to snipping tool, and when I want to click new, you will see that I cannot select this, go back and select the table and get the menu. That is why I need the timing. So I'll just escape to go back, and I will set my timing. So that's where the timing becomes handy. So in this case, I'm going to say delay for 5 seconds delay, and that will help me to select the menu. So I click OK, click on the new, and then you will see that I have a 5-minute window. So let me do it again. I set my timer to 5 seconds, and then I will say new, and then I'm going to go to insert and wait, and then it will, there it is. So after that, I can now cut this part here with the menu hanging down. So that is the workaround to get the menu. So if you want to capture a menu, then you have to allow time to select that menu, okay, drop down or any other type of menu that you want to capture. Then you have to set the timing to 5 seconds delay, then click new, and quickly within the 5 seconds you go to say save and then wait. There it is. Then you can take the select the exactly the one that you want to, exactly the menu where you want to cut. And now you can see that I have cut this with the shapes menu hanging down. So that's how you use the snipping tool to get a screenshot of your screen.